Motherboards connect all PC components, enable high-speed communication, support overclocking, and ensure stability, performance, and expandability for gaming. My today's video is about top 5 best motherboard that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte Motherboard. This Intel LGA 1700 motherboard is a powerhouse for modern gaming and high-performance computing. Compatible with 12th and 13th Gen Intel Core processors, it ensures maximum processing potential for demanding applications and gaming titles. The board supports DDR5 memory across 4 DIMM slots with XMP 3.0, enabling blazing fast data transfer and stable overclocking capabilities. Its commanding power design features a twin 16+1+2 phase digital VRM solution with 70A power stages, delivering consistent and reliable power to the CPU under heavy loads. Cooling and durability are prioritized with advanced thermal solutions, including M.2 Thermal Guard 3, fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, PCIe ultra-durable armor, and a robust 6-layer PCB, safeguarding components during intense sessions. Connectivity is future-proofed with PCIe 5.0 support for PCIe 4.0 x 4 M.2 slots, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, offering lightning-fast storage and peripheral options. This motherboard is ideal for gamers and creators seeking performance, stability, and next-gen features in one package. Now our second product is MSI Motherboard. This motherboard is engineered for gamers and creators seeking high performance and future-ready compatibility. Supporting 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors, and even future Ryzen CPUs via BIOS updates, it delivers a versatile and upgradable platform. Dual-channel DDR4 memory support up to 128 GB at 4400 MHz ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast data access, perfect for gaming or content creation. Its PCIe 4.0 slots, Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozr, and AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports provide ultra-fast storage and peripheral connectivity for seamless gameplay. Mystic Light RGB enhances aesthetics with 16.8 million colors, 29 lighting effects, and extendable pin headers for complete customization. Audio Boost delivers studio-grade sound for immersive gaming and media experiences. A premium thermal solution, including extended heat sinks, additional choke thermal pads rated at 7W/MK, and 2 ounces thickened copper PCB, keeps temperatures under control during intense sessions. Pre-installed I/O shielding adds convenience and protection from electrostatic discharge, rounding out a high-performance, reliable motherboard for serious users. Our third product is Asus Motherboard. The Asus motherboard for Intel LGA 1851 is built for the next generation of AI-powered PCs, delivering unmatched performance, connectivity, and reliability for demanding AI workloads. Supporting Intel Core Ultra processors, Series 2, it ensures your system can handle advanced computing tasks with ease. Exclusive Asus AI technologies, including AI Advisor, AI Overclocking, AI Cooling 2, and AI Networking 2, simplifies system optimization, enhancing performance while maintaining stability and efficiency. Memory and overclocking are streamlined through innovations like NitroPath Drum technology, NPU Boost, DIMM Fit, DIMM Flex, and AEMP3, allowing users to maximize speed and responsiveness with minimal effort. The motherboard's robust power delivery, featuring 24, 110A, plus 2, 90A, plus 1, 90A, plus 2, 80A, power stages, ProCool 2 connectors, microfine alloy chokes, and premium metallic capacitors, ensures clean, stable power even under extreme loads. Designed for advanced AI applications, high-performance computing, and future-proof upgrades, this motherboard combines cutting-edge technology, intelligent automation, and industrial-grade hardware to provide a reliable foundation for professional and enthusiast users alike. Now number 4, Machinist Motherboard. The Intel B75 LGA1155 motherboard is a reliable and versatile platform for 2nd and 3rd Gen Intel processors, including Core i3/i5/i7, Xeon E3/v2, Pentium G, and Celeron G series. Its dual-channel DDR3 memory support allows up to 16 GB of unbuffered, non-ECC RAM with frequencies ranging from 1280 MHz to 1866 MHz, providing smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Expansion is well supported with 2 PCIe 2.0 slots and 1 PCI slot, enabling high-speed connectivity for graphics, sound, or network cards. The SATA M.2 interface supports AHCI protocol with transfer speeds up to 6 gigabits per second, offering a cost-effective alternative to NVMe SSDs. Integrated VGA and HDMI outputs deliver 4K high-definition visuals, suitable for multimedia, 3D modeling, and basic gaming without a dedicated GPU. Built on a robust 6-layer PCB with solid capacitors, the motherboard ensures stable CPU power delivery and durability. This B75 motherboard balances performance, expandability, and reliability for both office and creative computing needs. And our last choice is Ashrock motherboard. This high-performance motherboard from China is designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking multi-GPU support and robust connectivity. Equipped with a versatile slot configuration, it features 3 PCI Express 3.0x16 slots, one running at X8, one at X4, and 3 PCI Express 2.0x16 slots running at X4, alongside a PCI Express 2.0x1 slot, offering ample expansion options for graphics cards, sound cards, and other peripherals. It fully supports AMD Quad Crossfire and standard Crossfire configurations, allowing users to combine multiple AMD GPUs for enhanced graphics performance and immersive gaming experiences. The motherboard is compatible with Microsoft Windows 10 64-bit, ensuring wide software support and stability. Audio performance is handled by the Realtek ALC892 7.1-channel high-definition audio codec, delivering rich, immersive sound with content protection for clear, high-quality playback during gaming, streaming, or media production. Combining multi-GPU capability, flexible expansion, and high-definition audio, this motherboard offers a solid foundation for building a powerful, future-ready gaming or workstation PC. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.